Hi, welcome to another session on performance testing, Docker, and Kubernetes. So, this is a problem statement. Now, what we have seen is the software code developed in one environment will not work in another environment. So, what do we do for that? Docker will solve the problem by making it as a containerization. So developer he can make the package along with the dependencies and make it as a container, and Docker will transport this into a different environment by creating Docker image. And we also know that Docker Hub is act as a repository, and that will have Docker image. Docker client can connect it to Docker server. There is a URL. You can play around with the Docker. For example, Docker hyphen hyphen version, it will give the Docker version. Docker file, using Docker file, Docker image will be created, and that is called Docker container. Now let's see, like Docker images will display all the images. Docker push, Docker pull, these are the commands for Docker. Docker ps and Docker, you can kill it. The container can be created using Docker, but orchestration or the management will be done by Kubernetes. Kubernetes will interact with pods and load balances the pod. One pod can have multiple containers. Usually one pod will have one container. Pod will have a unique ID, and there are some characterization of Kubernetes, that is called self-healing, replication, service discovery. These are some of the features of Kubernetes. Rollback is changes. So if something changes to the pod, it is called rollback. Secrets to handle, these are the config files. Secrets to handle the sensitive data like password. Config map to handle pods. Replication controller, it replicates the pods, and horizontal scaling, it will scale up or scale down the pods. If the CPU is 60%, min and max will be there in the config file. So it will, based on the CPU percentage, pods will go up and come down. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video.